Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is all about Glamnetic lashes. They just completed 1 year, so it was Glamnetic lashes happy birthday, and they launched a new series of lashes which is B series, and they also launched nails and felt tip liners. They had a giveaway competition and I took part in that, and I took the second place. So they sent me all these B series lashes and 2 felt tip liners. Yeah, I'm super excited and I'm very happy for all these. In this video I'm gonna try them on, so if you want to be with me, then keep on watching. So they launched 6 styles of lashes and the names are really amazing. They are Bombshell, Bella, Baby Girl, Birthday Beach, Boss Babe, and Brat. They all have different length and different volume. They also launched 2 colors of felt tip liners. One is black and another is brown. Here they are. The packaging is so gorgeous. Deep Space is black and Cocoa Dreams is brown. And before you try them on, you gotta shake it well. Let's swatch them. Let's swatch the black now. The top one is Cocoa Dream and the bottom one is Deep Space. I also have their liquid magnetic liner and I wanna try that side by side to see the difference. The top one is Cocoa Dream, the middle one is Black Space, and the bottom one is the liquid liner. I don't know if you can tell on camera that liquid liner that looks more deep, more black than the felt tip liner. I also want to see the felt tip liner side by side, how they perform. So I think they're dried down now. So let's smudge it. Yep, it is smudge proof. Let's spill some water to see if they bleed, if they wear out. My hand is absolutely wet and you can see this is waterproof. Yeah, these lashes are so pretty. And the good news is all these lashes come with lash anchors. Lash anchor is little tiny piece of magnet. So what you have to do is you have to sandwich your natural lash between the lash and the anchor. Lash anchors really helps to hold the lash for a long time very tightly, because sometimes when you wear lashes for a long time they come up from the corners. So when you use lash anchors, that's not gonna happen. That will strengthen the lash and that's gonna hold up the lash for all day. I want to start with Baby Girl. Baby Girl looks like this. They are round, wispy. They're very natural looking lashes, and shake your liners before you apply every time. The length of the lash band is great for me. I don't have to trim this lash. So I want to try them. So this is Baby Girl. So this is the lash anchor. I'm holding this with my lash applicator and put this to the outer corner. Yeah, I'm just taking the anchors close to my corner and snap it. So this is Baby Girl. These lashes are really pretty. Oh my god. Now I want to do the pull test. Ooh. Yes. Yes, they are strong. Next up is Bella. This is medium length and flared wispy lashes. Next up is Bella. This is medium wispy lashes, medium wispy, and I think that this is gonna look really cool with classic cat eyeliner. I love Bella. This is so pretty. What do you think, guys? Woo. Next up is Brat. So Brat looks like this. This is really fluffy and fuller lash. This is gonna be great for daytime and for nighttime. This is a type of lash that I want to wear with my halo eye makeup. When I wear a halo eye look, I always like to wear round lashes and with round lashes with volume. And these lash boxes are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about losing the anchors, because whenever you keep them easing, this is gonna attract the lash anchors. So this is Brat. Brat is not like too long, but they're very fluffy. This is Brat. And it's not really hard to take these lashes off. Just pull from one corner and gently peel it off. Yeah, they came off. Next one is Boss Babe. So Boss Babe is this. This is round shaped, medium length and very bold lashes. Maybe that's why they named Boss Babe. This is gonna look good on every eye shade because this is brown and this is fluffy, this is full. This is gonna look cool on every occasion, so you can wear it on daytime, nighttime, party, meetings, everywhere. This is Boss Babe. I love Boss Babe. This is so fabulous, isn't it? Next one is Birthday Bish. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Look at this. I have similar style of lash from different brand, and I cannot tell you that how much I love this style. This is so gorgeous. This is thick, this is packed volume, this is flared. This is everything. And most of the time I wear cat eye look, so that's why I like flared lashes. I don't know how many times I'm gonna wear this. I haven't tried the brown liner yet, so I'm gonna try this on my black liner. This is Birthday Bish. This is my favorite. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I am loving these lashes. This is amazing. And the last one of this series is Bombshell. Bombshell is a bomb. I want to show you Bombshell and Birthday Bish side by side. Both are flared and fluffy, but different in length. With lashes and without lashes. Do you see the difference? This is a kind of lash that you want to wear. You want to have the sultry look and bat your eyes to grab attention. And I just want to bat my eyes to show off my lashes. This is so pretty. If you wear these lashes without any eye makeup, just a little bit of gloss and these lashes, if you go to the bar, everybody is gonna stop and stare at you. This is so pretty, very eye-catchy, very versatile. Super happy with this B series lashes. All these lashes are amazing. Each lashes are so beautiful, and Glamnetic lashes are so easy to put on, and they stay on all day. They're sweat proof, wind proof, waterproof, smudge proof. They're amazing. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.